We are going to take 25 MS Excel quiz question and answer from jigs.org, and I'll keep the link in the description so that you can also practice. Let's go to the first question. How do you insert a new worksheet in Excel? Probably you can do right click or you can go to home and do it. So both. And to copy the cells, it is easy. Control C. And count A will not count any blank value. And what does the term cell mean? Intersection of a row or column. What function is used to sum range of cells in Excel? Right? So this is simple question. What is the purpose of auto sum? It adds the range of cells, right? And how do you change the width of a sheet? You can do the boundary, right? A column boundary, you can just do that. How do you remove the duplicates? Duplicates you can use the remove duplicate feature. And next question, how can you merge the cell? You can merge the cell in both way. You can merge and center in the home ribbon, or you can merge it simply from here in the format menu. What is the purpose of if? So it basically gives a conditional options or statement to us. Let's go to we have completed 10 question. We are gonna go with 11th question. What is the purpose of upper one? So it converts everything into uppercase. For example, let's say we have a data like this. I'm just giving it today and I wanted to convert into upper. It has just given this one, right? So the same thing. And in Excel, what does the term data validation? Data validation refers to ensuring the data accuracy through validation rule. How can you create the drop down list in one? Using the autofill? No. Apply the conditional formatting, use the data validation feature. What is the purpose of transpose? We can transpose rows to column, everything, right? We can swap that. How can you find and replace? So control F for find, and then you can select and then you can replace all the above. How can you create the hyperlink? You can just insert the hyperlink. This is possible. Use the hyperlink. Yeah, this is also possible. This also. All these are three possible. How can you group a worksheet in Excel? So you can select the multiple sheet and use the group option in home. Drag and drop the sheet into new group. So you can do group worksheet, right? This is worksheet. So multiple sheets you can group and use the group option in the home. That is also possible. Yeah, we can simply do from here. Yeah. In Excel, what does the term data series? Data series, numerical value plotted on the chart, right? What is the purpose of nth? So it converts the value to a number. How can you protect the file? Apply the password and use the protect worksheet. And you can also individually log the cells, all the above. So we have completed 20 out of 20. We have 5 more questions to go. How can you create a dynamic name one? Define name, right? In that you can create it. What is the purpose of data diff? I have not come across this formula and calculate the difference between two dates, but we can just simply use other formula like 360 formula, days 360, or day formula, or workday formula. You can use it. What is the purpose of PMT function? So it is payment investment based on periodic constant payment. What does the term array, right, mean in Excel? The returns the array value formula entered in multiple cells. It perform the operation interrange of this thing. Okay, a formula that performs operation of an interrange of cells, or I think the answer should be closer to this. A formula enter into multiple cells. Yeah. The last and final question. What is the purpose of formula text function in Excel? So text mean it will return as a text. So we have completed 20 out of 20. We have got 100 as an accuracy. You can also practice using this link. Have a nice day ahead.